In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply increase indent in Excel. If you want to make text inside a cell look more organized or visually offset from the left edge, Excel's increase indent feature is a quick and simple tool to use. It's especially helpful when you're formatting labels, creating a cleaner layout, or making certain entries stand out without changing the actual data in the cell. To get started, open your Excel workbook. Make sure you're in the file where you want to adjust the formatting. Once the workbook is open, click on the cell you want to format. If you need to apply the same formatting to more than one cell, you can also click and drag to select a range of cells at the same time. This can save time and help keep your spreadsheet formatting consistent. After selecting the cell or cells, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. This is where many of the most commonly used formatting tools are located. So if you've worked with font styles, text alignment, or fill colors before, you've probably already used this section. In the Home tab, look for the alignment group. Inside that section, find the increase indent button. The icon usually looks like horizontal lines with a right pointing arrow. Click that button once to move the contents of the selected cell slightly to the right. Each time you click increase indent, Excel shifts the content one additional indentation level to the right. So if you want a small adjustment, one click may be enough. If you want the text pushed farther in, just click again until it looks the way you want. This changes the appearance of the content inside the cell, but it does not change the cell's value. This is a useful formatting option when you want to create a more structured look in a worksheet. For example, it can help show hierarchy in lists or make sub-items easier to recognize at a glance. And that's it. That's how to apply increase indent in Excel. It's a very small feature, but it can make a big difference when you want your spreadsheet to look cleaner and easier to read.